Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your iPhone, where for some reason the battery life of your iPhone is dropping down like crazy and it's extremely fast. Now, what does that mean? Well, essentially, whether you're looking at your widget right here or you're looking at your battery life on the top right corner, you may be seeing that the battery life is going down exceptionally fast, just really, really fast. The first thing I'd recommend doing here is making your way over to your settings application right here. You want to scroll down until you see battery, which is right here, and all you want to do is click on battery health, which is right there. Now, if you look at your maximum capacity right there, and this is like really, really low, like this is like 86% like it is mine, or if it's even worse, like 70% or something like that, it really doesn't matter what you do for the most part. The battery health of your iPhone has just significantly gone down, so it's not going to be at a high level, and your battery life is going to deplete extremely fast. But if you look at this and you still see it's like actually like pretty high, it's like 90% or higher, well, one of the main things you want to take a look at is making sure you're not running a beta of a version of software. So if you're running like iOS 16 beta, or in the future you're running like iOS 17, 18, whatever it is, if you're running a beta of a software, that can have some huge effects of your battery life. So I'd recommend making sure you're on the most up-to-date version, so making sure you're on the full official version of your software. So you can make your way over to your iPhone settings here, click General, click Software Update, and just pretty much update your phone to the most recent version of software, not necessarily the beta, but of the non-beta version essentially. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is monitoring which applications you're using. If you're using a lot of these heavy, super big applications in the background, things like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty or NBA 2K Mobile, whatever games you're playing, even Facebook, if you're using a lot of these apps in the background, they can suck up a ton of data and they can actually be depleting your battery way faster than you'd expect. A great way to monitor this is to go inside of your iPhone settings. We're making our way to our settings a lot. Click on battery, and all you want to do here is scroll down and see what specific applications are taking up the most amount of battery. If they're taking up a ton of battery in the background, that can potentially be one of the main issues, so that is something you probably want to consider. But if you're noticing some applications are taking more battery life than others, I would just recommend looking at those applications, but also making your way over to your app store, clicking on your specific page wherever it is. You want to click on purchased and see which applications have updates. If there are any apps that have updates, I would probably recommend updating them for the most part. You can also scroll down right here. These are the updated recently. But I'd recommend even turning on, automatic updates if you want to. But keeping your applications updated as well as your phone updated is probably one of the best ways to fix this problem for the most part. So that is pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.